Mark here, Life and Fitness Files. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Today, wanted to talk about Walmart Spark orders and incentives. In the bottom of the app, there is a section in the notifications. When you pop that up, there's different incentives that can pop up. This is something worth checking out if you haven't done so already. And maybe you see them pop up, maybe you don't. Some of it depends on the zone. But these incentives can be things like $5 extra per order during a high busy time, such as during Memorial Day weekend or 4th of July weekend. They'll give you some different incentives. You might see this pop up in terms of high volume order or area, where you might see something like $20 extra with 4 orders that you do. So the incentives can be different ranges, they can be different amounts and different parameters with that. So you have to check what those are, but definitely worth checking out. Is this something that you have tried before? Is this something that you have had success with? Do you find it worth it? I know for myself, I try to gear towards some of those incentives if I can. Sometimes the timing doesn't work out. Sometimes the day, the time range, etc., is just not a time that I'm available. But it's definitely worth checking out. So you'll find that in the notifications in the app. Make sure to check those because they can change throughout. New ones can pop up. It's definitely something that makes it worthwhile to look at. It may or may not be something that fits your schedule. And sometimes the incentives might be worth it to go a little bit longer in the time range that you're doing orders. Hey, I was planning to only do it until 4 o'clock, but hey, if I do a few more, I now can make this worth it with some kind of incentive. So definitely something worth checking out, but I'm curious to see, have you had success with this? Is this something that you really gear towards or you just don't really pay that much attention to? Curious to see your thoughts. Do you have any questions? Leave those in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Here's to Life and Fitness.